Hello everyone, this is Alan aka Alstud1. This is a video. I just bought a few boxes of the brand new 2012 SP Authentic football, so this video is my box break. So I'll probably break it to 3 different videos. I have 3 boxes, so this came out today. Supposed to get 3 autographs per box on average. So let's take a look and see how we do. SP Authentic is usually one of the premier products each year for football rookies. Of course, the last, I don't know how many years, but Upper Deck's kind of gotten in trouble, so they're not as good as as before, but nevertheless, it's still SP Authentic, and it's still one of the premier products. So let's take a look here, see what we've got. This is pack number 1 here. Davis. Okay, so we've got this, I think this is an insert set, not sure, canvas collection. So we've got a nice one here, Bo Jackson. So canvas collection. Jamel Fleming, Darius Hanks, Riley Reid, if that's how you pronounce it, Dominic Davis. So that's the first one. Alright, the second pack we have Jordan Jefferson canvas collection. I guess base rookies, Harrison Smith, Ronnie Hillman, TJ Graham, and Red Ellison. Alright, there's an insert set. I think it's a tribute to the 1994 SP set. So we got Chandler Harnish, kind of like a tribute to the 1994 SP set. And then we got Whitney Merciless, Orson Charles, Nigel Bradham, and Jonathan Martin. This one were all base rookies: Garrett Lee, Lavoisier Tournay, Mike Willie, Greg Childs, Cordy Glenn. Alright, next pack. Dwayne Allen, Alshon Jeffrey, Eric Page, Matt Khalil, Jeff Fuller. Okay, so this one we got a Dan Marino, looks like from the base set. Laurent Bird, Bobby Wagner, Tyler Shoemaker, Alfonso Denard. Okay, we got another canvas card, Cordy Glenn. Andre Branch, Russell Wilson, Forrest Whitaker, Marquise Mays. We got Jerome Kreiner, Chandler Harnett, Joe Adams, Dan Herron, Brandon Weeden. Luke Kuechly, F94 SP insert. Darius Green, Stephen Gilmore, Stephen Green, Kendall Wright. Luke Kuechly, Alfred Morris, Junior Hemingway, LaMichael James, Jeremy Ebert. Robert Griffin, third, rookie. Alright, we got our first autograph, Cyrus Gray. Looks like they autographed her right on their regular rookie card, base rookie. I think we're going to need to go a little faster here. We're already at 8 minutes, so I'm just going to read off the autographs, parallels, inserts. Tim Benford, canvas. Not sure if the base rookies are numbered or not, or the legends. Alright, let's see. Alright, we got our rookie autograph patch in this pack. Oh, okay, cool. Ooh, it's the I think the gold version. Nick Foles, number 23 of 25. Nice 3-color patch. That's a good one. Nick Foles, 23 of 25. That's awesome. Nice clean autograph, and it's a gold version. Those are tough to get. That's a great hit right there. Alright. Speaking of Tim Benford, we just got his autograph card. Rookie autograph, Tim Benford. surprised these aren't numbered. They're just regular rookie autograph. All base rookies in that pack. Alright, here's a Dre Kirkpatrick 1994 SB insert. Here's a Nick Foles. I believe this is a short print rookie card. These ones here are short print rookies. Not numbered, but first one in the box that I pulled like that, so here's a Greg Childs Canvas collection. Two more packs in this box. Okay, here's a Jordan White 1994 SB. And the last pack in box number 1. All base rookies. Well, we did get a Doug Martin. Okay. So here's 4. Okay, so we got basically, I'm just going to go over the autographs to recap. First autograph, Tim Benford. Second autograph, Cyrus Gray. And our rookie autograph patch, gold version, Nick Foles, 3-color patch, number 23 of 25. So this is a very tough gold version. The regular ones are numbered out of 425, and the gold out of 25. So Nick Foles. So we got a good one there. All right, thanks everybody. Send me a private message if you're interested in any of the cards for sell or trade. Subscribe, leave comments, check out my other videos. Also check out my eBay auction, sports cards, the number 4, and then us, US. So sports cards for us. And check out my next video of the brand new 2012 SB Authentic Football. Thanks everybody.